Okay, so have you ever like stared at a spreadsheet?
Oh, yeah.
Just like rows and rows of numbers.
I mean, it's the
Makes
worst.
you want to give up before you even start.
Right.
Today we are diving into a little Excel trick
Okay.
that's going to help make those numbers
Hmm.
way more meaningful. And it's all about percentages.
Percentages,
Yeah.
they're so cool because they like unlock a whole way of thinking about data.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not just those raw numbers anymore. It's like you see the proportions, the relationships.
Yeah. Yeah. The bigger picture.
Exactly.
So how do we make that magic happen?
Usually, it's calculator time.
Yeah.
Crunch the numbers or format this. Hey!
Yeah.
But there's a shortcut.
Oh, it's shortcut.
A shortcut.
I am all ears.
It's Control-Shift-%.
Control-Shift-%.
Yeah, just select your cells.
Wow.
Hit those keys. Boom.
Boom.
Decimals become percentages.
Okay, so like behind the scenes,
Yeah.
what's really going on is Excel just like multiplying by 100 and
Yeah.
adding the little percent sign.
Pretty much. That's like the core percentages, right?
Yeah.
A portion out of 100.
Hmm.
The shortcut just mirrors that.
Makes sense.
Super intuitive.
I'm picturing this like on a sales spreadsheet,
Mhm.
like boom, see which products are bringing in the big bucks.
Yeah. Or a budget,
Okay.
You could see what percentage each task takes up.
Mhm.
Helps you prioritize.
So what if you hit that shortcut twice?
Ooh, good question.
Yeah.
It doesn't just keep multiplying.
Okay.
It's more like a toggle.
A toggle.
First press, you're in percentage world.
Mm.
Second press, you're back to normal numbers.
Got it.
Makes sense.
It's all about making the data easier to understand.
Yeah.
Now, the source material we've got here,
Right.
it actually has a real-time example.
Oh, yeah.
Like you've got this whole column of decimals
Mm-hmm.
just waiting to be percentages.
It's perfect for that. No more cell by cell.
Mm.
One keystroke formats the whole thing.
Time favor.
Yeah.
Especially with like massive spreadsheets.
Oh, for sure.
And there's even a bonus tip
Oh, yeah.
about customizing the decimal places.
Oh, absolutely. Because by default, it gives you 2.
Yeah.
But you can totally change that.
Yep.
Just right-click on the cell,
Mhm.
go to Format Cells.
Right?
Tons of options there.
So much control.
Yep.
Really makes you wonder
Right for-
what other little tricks are hiding in the software we use every day.
Right.
Like secret superpowers.
I know. It's exciting.
So to everyone listening,
Yes.
I challenge you to get curious.
Explore.
Dive into those menus.
Try those key combos.
Who knows? You might find your own Control-Shift-%
You might.
and unlock a whole new level of efficiency.
That's what it's all about.
That's it for this deep dive.
See you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.